These are my professional dancers. Crazy what love can do. How many years married?
33 in a couple weeks.
Okay, hold on a minute. Like, just the mere fact, 33 years, 5 freaking kids,
33
a business that they own together and do all day long, every single day, day in, day out.
Day in, day out.
So, you know what? I know we're coming on to talk about hair, but I kind of want to know what the secret sauce is.
Ooh, what is the secret sauce?
End of the day.
True.
All right, when you look at going and working with a business or giving money to a business, don't you want to go to somebody that's reputable, that you trust? Well, we have 2 people here who have 33 years of marriage under the belt, that's pretty huge.
Crazy.
5 kids that are all amazing adults at this point. And I mean, they're the most amazing. I mean, truly, this business, it's blood, sweat, tears. It's a family. I want everybody that comes in here to feel amazing, to walk out looking amazing, to get the best quality hair, to get the best service possible. And that's truly what you get here. It's not just about getting your hair done. It's about feeling good when you walk in the door and feeling even better when you walk out the door. And let's just talk about my hair, can we please? And it is a one-stop shop for your cut, your color, your hair extensions, your counseling, your... Okay, so this is really exciting. You have actually some really exciting news. This is a franchise. You've been launching it all over the country, but you've also decided to...
Opening a new location.
Woohoo!
Coming soon.
Yep, coming
Are
soon.
we saying where?
Yeah, it's in Dana Park. So Bell Vista and 60 will be opening there hopefully end of the year or beginning of next year. So
Literally, people come here, drive here from Texas, from up north, from all over the country. I literally have seen a girl who comes here from Florida to get their hair done here.
Yeah, we have
Why?
several from Florida.
And why do they come across the country to get their hair done? Because it truly is, there is a difference between good hair extensions and bad hair extensions. For those of you who think that you can't afford it, Xtension Envy makes it affordable. This is the first membership program of its kind.
yep, first in the country, and so we're excited to launch it everywhere. So it's kind of like Massage Envy or The Joint, all those have a membership model, so super affordable.
Super affordable. Once you're committed into doing this, it's so affordable to do it. For those of you who have thought that, oh my gosh, I don't have the time for this, this is too much maintenance. This is actually built for the woman that wants to be lower maintenance and have less time to worry about their hair, because your hair looks great all the time. My hair will look amazing. Honestly, you can really take the washing and the drying out. You can get away with doing your hair once a week.
We have a lot of people who come in once a week for a blowout, and they don't even own anything at home. They just come in and get a blowout from us.
And I've gotten really spoiled with that too. And the great part about having the longer hair, and you don't have to with hair extensions, but it looks great in a pony. It looks great braided. I did not bring a blow dryer with me to Mexico. All I did was let my hair air dry, which actually it looks pretty. It was wavy. And then I throw it in braids, throw a hat on. It looks great.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah.
It's so easy. This is all about making your life easier and never, ever, ever having a bad hair day again.
Never.
We changed up my color, which everybody has complimented me so much.
It's beautiful.
To go a little bit blonder. Again, we went with blonder hair extensions. You custom matched my hair. I have lots of different colors. It's not just one color, which a lot of times when you go get hair extensions, they give you one pack and that's your color.
Yeah.
Yeah, we customize everything, so it's all custom to the client.
Can't say enough about it. Now there's going to be 2 locations here in town, one in Gilbert. I'm at Raintree in the 101. They're at Raintree in the 101 too. We're all in the same place right now.
Yeah,
Same
right now.
place.
And franchising now, so if you are in the hair business, you want to get into the hair business, you're looking to start your own business, basically this is a business in a box. It is ready to go. All you got to do is show Scott the money.
There you go.
Show me the money.
We have a new franchise partner too, so it's been involved with many franchises, super successful, so
Yep.
we're excited.
They make it so easy for you. So what are you waiting for? Come on in for your hair. 20% off your first cut and color when you mention me with hair extensions, and join the membership program. I promise you, I have not met one person yet who hasn't taken my advice and thanked me.
It's amazing, truly is.
I'm not just in love with Friday, but I'm also in love with my hair extensions and Xtension Envy. The best. Seriously, the best people. Come on in, come on in.